Yeah, so I'm Professor Patricia Terry. I'm the chair of the Resch School of Engineering at UW Green Bay, and we have majors in electrical, mechanical, and environmental engineering technology. Aha, here we go. Thank you. Okay, so you may have to control this for me too.
I will do that. You just tell me when you need to go to the next slide.
Yeah, so yeah, we can go to the next one. Yeah, right. So yeah, we have degrees in computer science, electrical, environmental, mechanical engineering, technology, and mechanical engineering and mathematics. And in fall of 2021, we are going to launch a bachelor's in electrical engineering. So I'll just go quickly through each of our degree areas. So we can start with computer science. So computer science is a field for students who are interested in technology, programming, and problem solving. We have particular emphases in cybersecurity and in software engineering. So different careers with students that have a bachelor's degree in computer science. Northeast Wisconsin has a high demand for this particular degree area, especially because cybersecurity is such an important topic these days across all of industry and manufacturing. So students can have careers as computer analysts, as web designers, as software designers, and as network managers. If students come to UW Green Bay, they'll have opportunities for paid internships that will help them pay for their college degree. And of course, they can always pursue graduate degrees. We have a online master's in cybersecurity here at UW Green Bay.
Okay. Nope. I've got one page that didn't load.
Okay. All right. So in mechanical engineering, and you've already heard from some people working in the field as mechanical engineers. So mechanical engineers apply physics, math, material science, and fundamental engineering to solve industrial problems. So they design, analyze, manufacture mechanical systems. Again, we offer this bachelor's degree at UW Green Bay. Students who come here will have opportunities for paid internships that have led to future employment, or you can pursue a graduate degree in mechanical engineering if you want to go to work in research and development. We can go on. All right. So for the engineering and engineering technology degrees, students work across a vast spectrum of industry. Places that you would expect, like auto manufacturing, the aerospace industry, electronics design for electrical engineers, computer technology for the computer science faculty, but also in areas you would not anticipate. Right now, almost all industry across the United States has been automated, and those that aren't are rapidly moving that direction. And with the automation of industry, you need computer scientists who know how to program. You need electrical engineers who understand the machine-computer interface for controlling the automation. And of course, you need mechanical engineers for designing the equipment. So because of that, we find all of these people working in food processing industries, in paper manufacturing, in waste treatment, pretty much across the entire swath of industry. Environmental engineers, of course, can go to work as environmental consultants, and also across the entire swath of industry, because all industries are required by the state and federal agencies to meet certain environmental regulations for air quality and water quality. So everybody across industry hires environmental engineers. All right. All right. So We have 2 degrees in mathematics, the more traditional mathematics route that you would think of, and a statistics route. But mathematicians do a lot more than we think of. So they apply fundamental principles to analyzing and solving real world problems. Um, Mathematics, as you've heard from the other speakers before me, are required in industrial and management positions and even in social positions.
Problems.
I wonder why some of my pages aren't loading.
Yeah.
Well,
so.
All right. Well, if they won't load, I can just talk about them.
Okay.
So, people with degrees in mathematics go to work across a vast spectrum, especially the people with the statistics background. The insurance industry, investment analyst, all of these different types of industries hire people with expertise in statistics. People with math and statistics degrees can go to work as data analysts, as game designers, along with computer science, as economists, as controllers, as accountants, and as encryption specialist, again, working in conjunction with computer science faculty. So lots of career opportunities out there in these various STEM areas. So we can go to the next one. So I always tell prospective students, and hopefully some of you guys will consider UW Green Bay. Why should you consider us? I'll say first off that we have smaller class sizes for math, computer science, and engineering. We don't have giant lecture halls on campus, at least not very many, so we can't pack them in, 500 students to a lecture hall, which is how I took freshman chemistry at the University of Texas many years ago. Because of that, our faculty are very teaching focused. People who come to UW Green Bay as faculty members come because we enjoy teaching. And you're not going to get that at a lot of the bigger, what we call Research One or R1 universities, where the primary focus of the faculty is working with graduate students on state of the art research. We still do research here. It's just that we also find teaching to be very, very rewarding. We do not have graduate programs here in engineering. In computer science, we have the cybersecurity, but that's the only one, or mathematics, which means there are opportunities here for undergraduates to be involved in research that you wouldn't get at a bigger university that has a graduate program. So a number of our faculty have done research with undergraduate students and have gone on to present and publish this research at technical conferences. We have state-of-the-art facilities here. So a year ago, we launched the opening of a new STEM building on campus. It has 5 labs specific to mechanical engineering technology, in addition to a computer lab that has CAD, SolidWorks, and lots of other type of software packages that engineers do. So all of our equipment is state of the art. We just got a big grant from the UW system to upgrade our electronics labs to launch the new electrical engineering program. So by the time students get here, we're going to start the remodel. So probably it's going to be until January of 2022 that we're ready to fully launch the new facilities. But students would get through a freshman curriculum before they would get there anyway. So by the time you would come to UW Green Bay, we would have state-of-the-art electronics facilities. We have a crazy number of scholarships that have to go to engineering or engineering technology students. So much so that we used to have a shared committee with the rest of the sciences, and they broke us off. so that they wouldn't have to worry about figuring out who was going to get our scholarships. But last year we gave away over 25 scholarships to engineering and engineering technology students. The highest one was $5,000. So that'll go a long way towards paying for your education. The other really big plus about UW Green Bay is internships. So this area, the city of Green Bay, up to Marinette, where you have Fincantieri, and up to Sheboygan with the other shipbuilding industries, and all the way down to Fond du Lac. This area is the industrial base of the state of Wisconsin. So because of this, our students have a very easy time getting internships, and most of those lead to employment after they graduate. And the nice thing is, since the company you're interning with is probably located in town, you can work part-time during the semester while you're going to school and get practical experience and pay for your education. So with that, I'll just leave and see if anyone has any questions for me about our programs.
So I see there's some in the chat, Allison?
There is not specific to this.
Okay.
Yep.
So, and I know.
I was just curious how many students you have right now in the various, on your side of campus.
On my side, well, I know that for mechanical engineering, we have about 130 declared majors, which, given that we launched the program in fall of 2018, fall of 2018, we're about double what we thought we would have. We were our highest projections for this time. So, you know, we're having to offer multiple sections of classes already to accommodate students. That's a problem that we love having. Between the three, I think we've got about 50 majors each in mechanical and electrical engineering technology. And I think we've got about 30 majors in environmental engineering technology. So we're a rapidly growing program. The same for computer science. It's been around for a while, but we recently had some key retirements of older people, and we hired some new people into the area that are really revitalizing that degree. And with the addition of cybersecurity, we're seeing a lot of growth there.